Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to create a public repository in GitHub. Public repositories allows you to share your projects with others and collaborate openly with the GitHub community. So let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to github.com by typing it in the search bar and tapping enter. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on your profile. Tap on repositories. Then tap on new to start creating a new repository. Type in the repository name, and if you want, you can also add a description. Scroll down and tap on create repository. Your new public repository is now created. And that's how you can create a public repository in GitHub. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.